Hey, and we're live today. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm here with Tyler Williams, who's the Director of Scientific Services at PathoSans. And PathoSans has been innovating, engineering, and manufacturing electrically chemically activated solutions. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, OMG, that's a huge mouthful. And what on earth does that mean? Well, I'm really excited because today we're going to tell you. So thank you so much for joining us here today. I know you're probably here because you have an interest in cleaning. So, Tyler, welcome to the show.
Hello. Thank you, Angela. Looking forward to our questions today and getting through and getting to talk about PathoSans.
One of the things that's a huge concern, especially in the Airbnb industry, because we've got a lot of cleaners that are doing Airbnbs, vacation rentals,
Mhm.
short term rentals, where instead of cleaning every other week, like we do with some of our traditional house cleaning customers, we're cleaning 2 and 3 times a week. And so what happens is we get, I call it the
Mm.
hotel yuck, where you go
Yeah.
to a hotel room and they've been spraying chemicals over and over and over
Mhm.
again. And then they turn the room the next day when the guest leaves and they
Mhm.
spray all that stuff all over again. So you walk in and there's just this kind of aroma of chemical in the air and it's icky. And
Mhm.
we get that a lot in the Airbnbs. So
Mhm.
tell us how we can use this. And I mean, is it safe to use on a really frequent basis, 2, 3, 4 times a week?
Absolutely. I would highly encourage use it as much as you can everywhere you can because there's no residual and there's none of these VOCs that give you that hotel ick. At PathoSans, we love to say clean doesn't have a smell.
Uh-huh.
Really, if you've removed everything, you shouldn't notice the smell at all. And that's really what our product focuses on. Repeated use, high use, whether it's carpets, the curtains, you can spray it on the bed even. It's going to help remove odors, remove stains, and just your general purpose cleaning all over hard surfaces as well.
So are there any hard surfaces that you can't use it on?
We normally say watch out for anything with a wax coating or a special coating, like a really nice desk with a wax coating. We'd say use an inconspicuous spot first and make sure it doesn't leave a residue or fog up the wax at all. And
Okay.
then don't let it evaporate on those surfaces. But otherwise, for the most part, a lightly moist rag would take care of that as well too.
So if you're gonna do that and test it on an inconspicuous area first, also spray your cloth, not the surface top.
Yes, very good point. Yes.
Got it, okay. And, how does it work on glass? Is it safe for glass?
Yes, it works very well and is proven effective against a few of the well-known brands everyone has under their sink. In fact, I love it on glass myself.
Oh, nice. So then I'm guessing it's also safe for mirrors?
Yes, it is. Correct.
And how about granite?
Yes, granite has that seal though we got to be careful with. So we say test in an inconspicuous spot first and make sure it doesn't fog up. If it doesn't, you're in great shape.
Okay, so anything with a seal.
Correct.
Would that also be like wooden cabinets?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. And so is it pretty strong then, or is it just really effective and maybe closer to pH neutral?
I'd say it's very effective. So actually, our pH is on the higher end still, but it's been proven to be non-corrosive to skin and eyes, which is very important for that higher pH range. And the way we're able to get away with that is because of the ECAS technology, or that electrolytic cell we talked about a little bit earlier. So the main key of that is our point zero, we'll call it 0.05%, has
Uh-huh.
actually outperformed 5% sodium hydroxide from concentrate. And I don't want to be too morbid here, but the 5% we're talking about or a little higher is what you see on your crime shows for them, cleaning up a scene, if you will.
Oh my goodness, this is just fantastic. Thank you
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much for joining us today. I've learned so much. And if nothing else, I just got really excited about learning more. I know this is new technology for many of us, and I'm excited as we explore the new frontiers moving forward. Because, like I said earlier, I think we're in an era of getting away from the dyes and the heavy chemicals and the things that have harmed the environment and our waterways and our respiratory systems and all these things for so long. I think we're moving away from all of that. So it's more than just a buzzword now. It's actually a responsibility that we're taking a look at. How can we do our own little individual part? And in an era where there are so many terms like green and natural and whatever that are just unregulated terms,
Hmm.
it's really nice to actually have some solutions that you can, as a professional cleaner, take into a customer's home and say, hey, listen, this is proven technology that we feel good about, and we're pretty sure you'll feel good about it as well.
Well, that means the world to hear you say that. So thank you so much, because that is really is our message at PathoSans. We care about clean and we want to change the culture of clean and we want to make good for everyone.